In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate reviews from Loox to Judge.me. By the end, you'll have your customer feedback moved over smoothly so it continues to build trust on your storefront without missing a beat. Before we start, make sure you've already exported your reviews from Loox as a CSV file and saved it somewhere easy to find. It's best not to edit that file, since changing headers or formats can cause import errors. Keeping a backup copy is also a good idea. Begin inside your Shopify admin. Open the Apps section and launch the Judge.me Reviews app. This is where you'll manage everything related to Judge.me, including bringing in your existing reviews. Once the app is open, head to the Settings area and look for the Import Reviews option. This is the dedicated spot for bringing reviews into Judge.me, and it helps keep the process clean and organized. At the top of the import page, click the Import from Apps button. This option tells Judge.me that you're pulling reviews from another review platform, which allows it to recognize the source format and map fields correctly. In the list of supported apps, find Loox and click Import. Selecting Loox ensures Judge.me expects the same column structure that Loox uses, which greatly reduces the chance of mismatched data. Now, upload the CSV file you exported from Loox. Double-check that you're choosing the correct file, and avoid uploading a spreadsheet you've opened and resaved in another program, since that can sometimes alter encoding or special characters. If your file is large, the upload might take a moment. Once it's attached, click Import to start the process. While the import runs, don't worry if it takes a little time. That depends on how many reviews and photos you have. You can keep the tab open and let Judge.me handle the heavy lifting. When the import finishes, Judge.me will show you a status message indicating success or any rows that may need attention. If anything is flagged, it's usually due to missing product identifiers or altered headers in the CSV. In that case, re-exporting the file from Loox without changes typically resolves it. That's it for migrating your reviews from Loox to Judge.me. With this workflow, your ratings, comments, and other key details can carry over, helping you maintain social proof and continuity for your customers. If you're preparing a big import, give yourself a little extra time, keep that original CSV safe, and let the process finish before making further changes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you move your reviews with confidence.